Yo, my name is Benjamin, and in the January update, we're adding support for instant font previews. So here I'll select my headline and then I'll head over to the font picker. And let's go to our open source collection. And now when I hover any of the available fonts, I'll instantly get an on-canvas preview. And I'll get a good sense of how this font will work in my current design, making it much easier to browse our available typefaces and find just the one without having to commit. A lovely little quality of life improvement now available in Framer. And if you're unaware, in Framer we have an amazing collection of fonts, including foundries like FontShare and Colativo, as well as our own curated collection of open source fonts. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates coming soon.